Now we are going to simplify. This question have come in the board examination. Now we are going to simplify this question. We have this. Then first we multiply cos theta in each term of the first matrices. And what you will get here? Here we get cos square theta, and here minus sin theta, cos theta, and here sin theta, cos theta, and here cos square theta. द सेकेंड पार्ट में जो है उसका उसमें देखिए व्हाट हैपेंस हियर sin square theta multiplied will be multiplied with cos theta, then sin theta cos theta, and here minus sin theta cos theta, and here sin square theta. Now this matrix and this matrix both are of the same order, then we can add them. Addition is possible. Then corresponding element we will add this with this one plus sin square theta, this with this one. So sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, here minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta, and here cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then what happens? Here this will give one value 1, and this term is cancelled out by this one, and this one is cancelled out this one. 0 here, 0 here, 1. So we get an identity matrix. This is an identity matrix of order 2 cross 2, usually denoted by I. Okay. Let's see the next one question. We can take one more question. Now we are going to take and the question is if two x, here is x 7 x 7 5 y minus 3 plus 3142 3142 is equal to, we get a matrix of order 2 cross 2, which is 715, 7, 15, and here 14, 14. We have to find x and y. So first you see this and this matrix are of the same order, and this is a scalar quantity. Then first we multiply it in this one, and then we add this with this one, and then compare the matrix. So solution we are getting. Here we get 2x, here 14, 5 to the 10, and here 2 into y minus 3, and plus 3, 1, 4, 2 is equal to 7, 15, 14, and here also 14 is given. Now this and this matrix are of the same order, then we will add both of them. What then happen? 2x plus 3 2x plus 3, here 14 plus 1, here 10 plus 4, and here 2, we can write 2y minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 7, 15, 14, and here is also 14. Now we can write it as 2x plus 3, here 15, 14, and here 2y minus 4. If you will see it, then you will get where the terms are constants only. Then you see here 15, here 15, here 14, and thus it means this is equal to this one. Then 2x plus 3 is equal to 7, and here 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. So what you get? 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, 2x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2, and 2y is equal to 18, so and y is equal to 9. Now we are going to solve one more question. See the next one, and the question is find matrix X such that 2a plus b plus x is equal to 0, where A is equal to minus 1/4 minus 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 3 1 minus 2 5 3 1 minus 2 5. First of all, I would like to tell you, we know that the addition is possible only when the order of the matrix are same. So it means that the order of A, B and X are same, and this is equal to 0. Then it is a zero matrix, null matrix of the same order of which A and B are and X are. Now, two A plus B two A plus B plus X is equal to 0 given. Then 2A, what we write? 2A is what? Minus 1 3 2 4. B is what? 3 1 minus 2 5 plus X is equal to 0 0 0 0. Minus 2 4 6 8 plus here we get here this 4 minus 2 8 minus 5 plus X is equal to 0 0 0 and 0. Here we will get, you can write it as, अगर आप चाहते हैं then you can write it as A, B, C, D, a matrix of same order, but no need. Only we will write down X. It is sufficient for the question. X. So here we get 1, 7, 2, 3 plus X is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Where will we transfer this matrix this side, then X is equal to what? Minus 1, 7, 2, 3, and this is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then no problem, we can write or you can leave because it will not affect on the matrix this. So we get minus 1, minus 2, minus 7, and here minus 3. This is the matrix X you get. Here will be plus, right? And then we get 13. Now, multiplication of matrix. The multiplication of two matrices is possible only when the column of first matrix, the number of column of first matrix is equal to the number of row of second matrix. So the product multiplication of two matrices is possible only when column of first matrix is equal to row of second equal to number of row of second matrix. Means let A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij P cross Q B, two matrices. Then multiplication is possible when column of A, which is number of column, number of column of A, which is n, is equal to row number of row of B, which is 2. And the order of obtained matrix C is equal to A into B means is equal to Aij m cross n and Bij P cross Q. So we obtained a matrix C m cross Q. Here n is equal to P, then the multiplication is possible, otherwise not. We will see it.